While the budgies seem to be in some kind of standby mode for laying eggs, thankfully the finches in the other aviary are working hard. In less than 24 hours they built a perfect nest out of hay and even laid an egg. Talk about efficiency. And the zebra finches, well, they looked extra busy today, probably planning something again. During my morning routine I decided to check the finches' nest boxes, and I've never seen so many chicks inside. Some of them are already grown, and I think any day now they'll start flying. Look who I found trying to reach a perch, a little baby finch. He just started flying, a bit clumsy for now, but in just a couple of days, like the ones before him, he'll become a master of flying. And there's the baby, already perching on the highest point in the aviary. They learn so quickly and strengthen their wings fast. The parents are always nearby, following and making sure the little one is safe and well fed. And spinach is such a nice way to start the day.